Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Just Eat delivery account. First, visit the Just Eat Courier website and click Apply Now. You will need to provide basic personal information like your name, email address, and phone number. Ensure you meet the minimum age requirement, which is typically 18 years old. This initial step is quick and sets the foundation for your application to become a delivery driver. Next, you will be asked to provide essential documents. This usually includes proof of your right to work in the UK, a valid driving license or provisional license, and proof of address. You will also undergo a background check, which can take several days to process. Make sure your chosen vehicle, whether it's a car, scooter, or bicycle, meets their requirements and is properly insured for food delivery purposes. Once your application is approved, you will move to the onboarding phase. This involves completing a short online training module to understand Just Eat's delivery standards and safety guidelines. You will also receive your delivery kit, which typically includes a branded thermal bag and uniform. Finally, download the Just Eat Courier app and set up your profile, ensuring all your details are accurate and ready for your first shift. With everything set up, you are ready to start delivering. Open the Courier app and go online to accept orders from local restaurants. You will receive clear instructions for each delivery, including pickup and drop-off locations. Payments are typically made weekly, directly into your bank account, based on the deliveries you complete. Remember, Just Eat provides support through the app if you encounter any issues during your shifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.